Okay, moving on to 3.5. This is page 111. We are looking at question 1. Find the volume of a cylinder with a given dimension. So a cylinder is just a circular base prism. So the volume is going to be the base area times the height. The base area, because the base is just a circle, and the area of a circle is pi r squared. So the base area is really just pi r squared times h. So we can say that volume is pi r squared h. So this is the formula for finding the volume of a cylinder. So in A, we were told that the radius is 3, so I can replace the r with a 3, and the height is 5. 3 squared is 9, 9 times 5 is 45. So the volume becomes 45 pi, and this is in centimeters cubed. So volume is in cubic units, that's why it has an exponent of 3 here. And then now we can just type this into the calculator, 45 pi, and we change it to decimals. They want 2 decimal places. So this becomes 141.37 centimeter cube. So let me show you how to answer this on the calculator. So we just go 45, and then the pi button is the yellow one right here. So we need to first press shift in order to get to the yellow button, and then press that. So equals 45 pi, and then press that to change into decimals. That's why it's 141.37. 1b. Same idea, volume equals to pi r squared h. We were told that r equals to 7 and h equals to 5. So we can replace the r with a 7, and we can replace h with a 5. 7 squared is 49, and 49 times 5 is 245. So this is 245 pi centimeter cube. Again, I can just type this into the calculator, and I get 769.69 centimeter cube. 1c. Same idea, volume equals to pi r squared h. This time we were told that the diameter is 5.2 and the height is 4.7. So the radius will just be half of the diameter. So we just divide it by 2, and we should get 2.6. Now I can say that the volume is pi, the radius is 2.6 square, and then times height. Height is 4.7. So I will just type these in, 2.6 square times 4.7. I get 31.772, and we still have the pi. This is in centimeter cube. And then I can, again, using my calculator, change it into decimals. I get 99.81 centimeter cube. 1d. Volume equals to pi r squared h. Diameter is 4.5. So radius would just be 2.25. I just divide 4.5 by 2. And the height is 1 1/3. So volume is pi r squared times h. 1 1/3 is the same as 4/3. And then now I can just type these into the calculator. 2.25 squared times 4/3. I get 6.75 pi centimeter cube, or type that into the calculator, we get 21.21 centimeter cube. Okay, that's the end of question 1. I'll see you in question 2.